These have to be some of the best chicken wings I have ever had. I'm Tess, and today I'm making sticky, spicy Chinese chicken wings. They are finger-licking good. To season the wings, I have a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of ground ginger, half a teaspoon of paprika, quarter teaspoon of 5-spice powder, quarter teaspoon of white pepper, quarter teaspoon of salt, and a half a teaspoon of sugar, giving that all a good mix. The 5-spice powder is what will give it a brightness and kick. It is a blend of cinnamon, cloves, fennel, star anise, and Szechuan peppercorns, so it can be zesty. I have my chicken wings cleaned, wings clipped, and cut into wings and drumettes. I patted them dry, and I'm adding in about 2 tablespoons of oil, and I'm using vegetable oil. I'm sprinkling my spices over the chicken and giving everything a good toss so the wings are evenly coated. Covering, refrigerating, and marinating for 2 hours, and overnight is even better. You can fry or bake the chicken wings. If you have an air fryer, that probably would be the best. Tonight I'm baking them in a 400-degree Fahrenheit oven for 40 minutes, and I'm flipping them halfway through. Once I flip the wings halfway, I'm going to start making my sticky, spicy Chinese sauce. In my pan on medium heat, I'm adding a 1/4 cup of water, half a cup of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of Shaoxing or Chinese cooking wine, 2 tablespoons of Hoison sauce, and Hoisin sauce contains 5-spice powder, so we are keeping in tune with our seasoning we put on the wings. 1 tablespoon of chili garlic sauce or sambal, and this is optional. 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, and 1 tablespoon of minced ginger. I'm stirring and bringing everything up to a low simmer. This is going to cook for approximately 10 minutes or until it reduces and thickens. Then I'm going to remove it from the heat and let it cool for about 10 minutes. The chicken wings are done cooking and they smell awesome just as they are. The sauce has cooled a bit and thickened. And I'm spooning some of that delicious sticky spicy Chinese sauce over top of the wings. Each one of these wings and drumettes is a punch of Asian flavor, a nice balance of salty, sweet, and heat. They are sticky and finger-licking good. Garnishing with some sesame seeds and chopped green onions. I hope you give these sticky, spicy Chinese chicken wings a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!